Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This loco, running number is 31556. If you know what type of loco this is, put it in the comments below. Maybe I forgot to mention this in the first couple of videos, but every year when we do this, we typically don't tell you what the loco is and give you guys an opportunity to guess or put in the comments what type of class and loco it is. So if you know what it is, go put it in, and then we'll give you guys the answers. Starting tomorrow, we'll put the answers up on the channel in a couple of videos, so they'll be about a week behind and up until about Christmas. As for today's gift is this loco servicing tool. So this will print out on an Ender 3. This one was actually printed on an Ender 3 and I think it was like white or translucent PLA. And basically what this is it's 3D printed track basically, and a kind of little handle here. And the idea is that you put your loco on it like so, and then you know, if you're doing kind of weathering with it, or you're painting it, or you're gluing on details, it allows you to like move the loco around on your workspace while you're working on it without actually touching the loco. And it's a relatively easy thing to 3D print. It prints pretty quickly. There's no supports, nothing like that. You might want to use a brim around the outside of it, but you don't have to. It really depends on how well set up your printer is. And you can see there, it's reasonably large. It's enough for mid-sized loco, so it'll work well for like a class 08, maybe a class 25 might be the biggest thing you'll get on it. But the idea was to sort of make it easy for somebody to work on the loco. It doesn't move too easily on the track here just because of the track and the ballast and so on, but it works really well on a mat or on a table. So what we'll do is we'll put the code up here, and as usual it'll be valid until you know, by 2 days from now at 5 AM, and hopefully you guys will find it useful. Alright, so like I said, that's it for today's video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please put it in the comments below. Other than that, I'm working on getting the update video edited and uploaded, so you might see that over the next day or so. I have a bunch of other non-advent calendar videos coming up as well, so keep an eye out for those if you want to be first to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time.